The internet is like an iceberg. What you see, the surface web, is just the tip. It's where most of us spend 99% of our digital lives. Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Amazon, TikTok, Reddit, Temu deals, memes, news, all the glossy, searchable, indexed pages we know and love. This layer is also called the visible web or lightnet. Why? Because everything here is accessible through standard search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. It runs on familiar protocols HTTP and HTTPS, and when you type in a URL or click a link, that's your browser pinging a public server. No secrets here. But don't let the ease fool you. Even on this happy, polished surface, cookies track your every move, ads profile your personality, and shady sites might fish you in broad daylight. Welcome to the surface web. It's just the beginning. Just below the surface web lies the deep web, a vast, mostly invisible layer of content hidden behind logins, paywalls, or dynamically generated pages. Think your private Gmail inbox, your bank account, medical records, subscription-only research articles, cloud drives, confidential business databases. Search engines can't index these, not because they're sinister, but because they're private. This layer makes up over 90% of the entire internet. Technically, it works just like the surface. Same servers, same protocols. But unless you know the exact address and have the right credentials, you won't even know it exists. Accessing the deep web doesn't require anything fancy, just a regular browser and a login. But the further you dive, the darker it gets. Now we enter the dark web, the most secretive and misunderstood layer of the internet. This isn't your everyday browsing. To get in, you'll need special software, like the Tor browser. It encrypts your traffic through multiple anonymous nodes. Think digital onion layers. Each peel hides your identity further. Here, people buy and sell everything from stolen credit cards to hacking services. Dark marketplaces like the now-defunct Silk Road operated like illegal Amazon, complete with reviews and delivery. But don't be fooled, it's not all criminals. Whistleblowers, activists, and journalists use the dark web to evade oppressive surveillance. SecureDrop and similar tools have helped expose corruption around the globe. Still, one wrong click can lead to malware, scams, or worse. This is a realm where law enforcement plays cat and mouse, and the shadows have eyes. Now let's go deeper, into myth. Mariana's Web is said to be the Mariana Trench of the internet, the deepest, most secretive digital zone of them all. No browser can access it, no search engine can crawl it. Rumors say it's protected by quantum encryption, accessible only to military-grade AI or biometric supercomputers. That's right, this is where conspiracy meets cyberspace. People speculate it holds ancient knowledge, extraterrestrial data, government secrets, or even the Law of 13 linked to the Illuminati. But is it real? Technically, no verified structure like this exists. But the myth of Mariana's Web speaks to something deeper, our fear of what we can't access, and who can. Just above Mariana's Web, theorists whisper about the Mediator Layer. It's like a firewall between worlds, a controlled buffer zone for ultra-sensitive data. Access here isn't just password protected. You might need biometric scans, multi-factor identity, or specific behavior patterns. Some believe this layer hosts government communications, ethical gray zones, or blockchain-secured data vaults. It's not proven, but if it exists, it's probably filtering access to something bigger. Now we hit the fog, also called the virus soup. This is where all the broken code, abandoned software, and rogue viruses drift in a chaotic digital graveyard. A layer with no rules, no directories, no logic, just corrupted fragments looping forever. If your device ventures too far here, you risk crashing systems, bricking drives, or unleashing code no one understands. Some claim rogue bots still roam this space, replicating endlessly, infecting the unlucky. It's more metaphor than map, but like all good horror stories, it has roots in something real. Botnets, malware, zombie servers. The fog might not exist, but its ghosts are everywhere. And then there's the Primarch System, the final, theoretical layer. Some say it's not just beneath the web, it governs it. Picture a sentient AI network embedded at the core of the internet. It doesn't respond to pings, it doesn't appear on maps, but some researchers say it broadcasts unchangeable commands, legacy code, ghost protocols, possibly created decades ago by governments or something worse, and now running independently. Could it be quietly rewriting encryption standards, steering communication flows, choosing who gets access and who doesn't? Whether it's fact, fiction, or something in between, the idea of a Primarch system taps into a chilling truth. We've built something we might no longer understand. From surface memes to silent AIs, the internet is far more layered and far more dangerous than most users ever imagine. So, the question isn't just, what's out there? It's, how deep do you really want to go? Like, comment your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe. We're just scratching the surface.